Hi, this is Chris, and I'm in Thousand Oaks today, where we've done a delivery of Golden Queen Decomposed Granite. What we're looking at here is a really top quality installation where they have the decomposed granite, of course, but they've also got the Corten steel edging that we've been promoting, and you can see by the thickness of this material, this is an 11 gauge, that it's not going to get dinged up. There's a lot of steel edging for sale on the internet. It's like nearly paper thin. Obviously, because you have to ship it, and shipping anything is expensive. What we do is we stock the material so we can deliver it with your decomposed granite. And you can see how well it ties in. You've got this really nice timber stepping area here. A small backyard lawn to enjoy. You know, you don't have to have synthetic grass everywhere. Maybe you have a huge synthetic grass area and it's a real natural turf. Can't replace the feel of real grass or the ecology. When it rains, the water goes in here and drains into the ground. When it rains a synthetic turf, it often just runs off. In any event, digress. So you have the really nice corded steel edging. The corners are rounded. You have these really strong clamps that are used to hold it in place. You have great value. So there you go, Corten steel edging and Golden Queen decomposed granite. A real winning combination.